My name is Anand Pishay. In this video lecture, we have seen the paragraph tag, line break element, horizontal rules, comment, these and the bold, italics. One thing is very clear about that each tag have a different kinds of work in the HTML, and each tag perform the different look and output onto the web page. First one is the paragraph. What is the paragraph? Basically, we can use the paragraph tag by the acronym P tag. The P tag is the container type of tag and it can be used same as you can just perform the change paragraph. By using P tag, you can find out where it is implemented. After that, the paragraph always start with the new line. Where whatever the text you can enclose under the P tag, opening P between the closing P, the line will be defined and display onto the next line. Then line break statement. Line break statement just break the line. Where it can be defined, it can acronym is BR tag and it is the empty kind of tag. You can either use the opening BR or closing BR. It just perform the line break operation. Where it is used, it automatically cut the line and show into the next line. That is the line break statement. Then it is the example here given. Here the head line break element. The head tag will be closed. Then body. Under body it can be defined the Kips Learning Private Limited and their address will be defined here. Okay, and after that body will be closed and HTML will be closed. You can find out the Kids Learning Limited. After that there is the BR, then BR, then BR, then BR. That output will be displayed in the complete address by using line break statement. Then horizontal rule. The horizontal rule is basically used to define the HR tag and it is the empty kind of tag. That means either you can use the opening of HR tag, it work and create the horizontal line onto the web page. After that, you can find out the comment. The comment is what? Comment is basically whatever you can define under comment tag, it is not going to display onto the web page. It is not the part of the web page. You can, it is just for your understanding purpose. What the program actually about, you can define under the comment tag and comment tag part is not the display onto the web page. You can find out the comment can be defined by the two way. One is the angular bracket, then exclamatory mark, and you can dash sign, then learning HTML is the great fan. When we implement in the practical manner, this is not the part of the web page. It is not going to display. So angular bracket with angular bracket, after that exclamatory mark, and then dash sign is used for comment. Or you can just use the COMMENT comment tag. And learning HTML is the great font, that is the text, and then comment will be closed. So either you can use with the exclamatory mark or literally you can use the comment term to define the comment tag onto the HTML. Then there is the bold. Bold is what it can be show the emphasized text. That means in the weight text, the text will be show in the bold manner. It is highlighted manner. That like we can use the acronym B tag. The B tag is the container type of tag. That means it can be work only when we can define the off and on and off tag both part. You can find out the B kids pool or computer course. This is the text under the B tag. It is the opening tag and this one is the closing tag. Then there is the italic mode. Italic tag that is defined by the I tag. It is also the container type of tag and we can use to define whatever the text under the italic mode. It is so in the slightly bended form of the text. That text is slightly bent and it can be also create a different scenes onto the web page. So this is the complete theoretical lecture of is the complete theoretical lectures of different formatting options that are the part of HTML. We can use it in the practical way in next video lecture. Thank you and have a good day.